Hello everyone, Dayton here with you with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and a lot of you keep asking me what's a good carpet cleaning machine, what should I buy? And I want to invite you to go to Amazon and scroll with me, because you can see we got a lot of options to buy from. And then I have a recommendation for you. I'm just looking at my computer here, and I would like to tell you that my recommendation, and I'm gonna tell you why I recommend this machine, I don't get paid for it, is the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine, the FH50150. That's the model number I believe in. It has 41,298 reviews. After looking at several machines, a few things that got my attention. One of them is that it has 41,000 reviews. I read a lot of them. Some are good, some are bad, but a lot of people like the piece of equipment. And then I want to go into some details why I like this machine. Before I give you that, let me tell you how I recommend you use this machine. Instead of putting the cleaner in the white container on the top, I would recommend that you spray whatever the product you're buying to clean your carpets first, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then put clean water, warm water, hot water in that container to rinse that product. Also know that using this machine, it won't help you to skip, or you should skip professional clean every 18 months. Now that you know all that, one thing that I love about this machine is that it comes with and a scrubbing power head that is going to help to release some of those stains. It's going to give you some agitation, and since you're using hot water in that container, it's going to help you to remove some of those stains. Another thing that I love is that it comes with a handheld attachment that you can clean your upholstery, your stairs, and also you can do some small spotting cleaning. When you're using this product, be careful. This attachment, do not scrub too hard, you could damage the fibers. And one thing that I love as well is that it blows hot air, that it helps to accelerate the chemical reaction and also helps with drying time. And I believe that you're gonna love the product, and those some of the features that I love, and hopefully you will love it as well. And then if you have any questions or comments, please leave it on the video, and stay tuned for some other tips that will be coming out soon. Thank you. Bye.